See, we recently, in fact, just 2 days back, we appointed one safety consultant for 2 years. They will come on ground here. They will see whole stretch, 13 kilometers. It's not only 13 kilometers, up to Sada. So they will, work out wherever the deficiencies, the geometrical deficiencies are there on the road. So they will all list out and they will submit a report to us. Then further we will move a proposal to government for taking action on the deficiencies for a betterment of the public.
Sir, will they come up with any solution for MS College Junction or busy junctions? Anything is planned on that, sir?
In fact, I have a proposal with me for a junction improvement right now. So once a new contractor comes on the place, so that will be get it done, MS junction properly.